friends, Belinda here. Today I'm going to show you how to turn unexpected everyday items into beautiful and functional garden decor, like an herb garden made from a shoe organizer. Let's get started. Starting with a Dollar Tree rolling plant tray, you normally see this under big pots, but I'm using mine as the pot. I picked up these succulents on Amazon for a great deal, and if you're interested, you can find them in my Amazon storefront. Just click the link in the description box. Dollar Tree also has a variety of rocks, so I'll be using these at the bottom for drainage and then also adding them on top to decorate around my succulents as well. Next, I'm adding some potting soil. I'm gonna try to shape these succulents into the letter S for my last name. We'll see how it goes. Now, I'll be honest, an S is not the easiest letter to make, but you get the idea. Some letters are way easier than others. Well, this is the best I can do. Now it's time to add the stones. Tell me what you think. Is this a yes or a no for you? Are you going to be trying this? I'm sure you've seen these garden fences at Dollar Tree, but what would you say if I told you that you can turn these 2 garden fences and 1 plastic serving tray into a small side table for your garden? Let me show you just how easy it is to do. Start by turning your serving tray upside down and then placing your fencing around it and mark where you need to glue. I'm using a crayon chalk just in case you're wondering. This areas that are marked is the top of the fencing where I'll need to add the glues. Once that's done, add some super glue first, then a little hot glue. The super glue gives it a strong hold and the hot glue helps keep everything in place right away. Now just hold it down for a few seconds until it sets. I added some more hot glue around the edges. The first fence is up and now I need to add the second one. I decided to add painter's tape to help hold everything in place while the glue hardens. I attached the second fence. I repeated the same steps to the second fence by adding the glues and adding some painter's tape to let the glues harden. I'm going to leave it overnight. It's the next day and now I'm just going to remove the painter's tape. And this is how it turned out, and now I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it. I'll be using this stone texture finish to spray the entire side table. I did spray the top of the platter with white spray paint. I don't know what happened to my video footage, but it's gone. But anyhow, I'm spraying the stone texture finish to it. I think this adds such a charming touch to my patio. So you tell me, would this be a yes or a no for you? Not a lot of space for fresh herbs. Let me show you how you can grow and enjoy them using something unexpected, a shoe organizer. Go ahead and open it up and look, it even comes with some hooks. Set those aside because we'll be using them later. Now I'm going to unfold the shoe organizer and I'm going to cut it since I won't be using the full length. The pockets are pretty deep, which is actually a good thing because it means I can add plenty of potting soil. But before I do that, I'm going to line each pocket with some brown wrapping paper. I'll just measure out the size I need and cut it to fit each section. Next, I'm going to cut a few small slits for drainage. Now I'm going to hang it on my new DIY trellis. I have that video linked at the end if you're interested in seeing how I created it. And now I'm going to add potting soil to each pocket. And And now I'm ready to add my herbs. I'm going to start off with oregano. And now some dill. And some sage. I've never had an herb garden before, so I'm really excited about this one. Is this a yes or a no for you? Well, my friends, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, have a blessed day. Bye for now, and God bless.